The Google Play Store is an app store for Android devices that offers a wide variety of apps and games. If you're looking to get your hands on some great Google Play Store apps on your PC, then you'll need to watch this. In this video, I am going to show you how to download the Google Play Store apps on your PC. So, make sure to watch this video all the way to the end because all you need is a PC running Windows 7 or higher. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So, first of all, open up your preferred internet browser and then search for BlueStacks. And then click on the first search result, bluestacks.com. BlueStacks is an emulator that allows users to run Android applications on their PCs. It is free to download and has a large user base. Some people use BlueStacks to play Android games that they cannot get onto their mobile devices. Others use it to access Android apps that they can't find in the regular App Store. So you can download this by clicking on this green download button over here, or if you have a lower-end PC, you can go ahead and click on that blue download button. So I am just going to download this, and it will download the installer to my PC. So click on it, and then click Yes to allow permission. And then you can choose a location for this to get installed by clicking on Customize Installation, and then clicking Change Folder. I'm going to leave it alone and simply install BlueStacks by clicking the Install Now button. And it will start the download process, and I will just speed up the download process so that you don't have to wait. And then it will start the installation process, so I will also speed this up for you. So once that's been installed, it will show you this pop-up. To use BlueStacks, you must enable the Hyper-V feature and related features on Windows. Otherwise, BlueStacks will not work on your PC. So click on Grant and Restart, and it will restart your PC. After you've enabled those Windows features, double-click the BlueStacks shortcut to launch it. So, since this is the first launch, it will take a couple of seconds for it to load up. So, as you can see, this is like any other Android device. You even have the Play Store to download apps and games. So let's open up the Google Play Store, and let's sign in. Let's type in my email, and then let's type in my password, and then let's tap on Accept. And there you go, I can now download any Android app or game to my Windows device. So let's scroll through this and then let's download Subway Surfers to see how this works. So let's tap on this green Install button, and it will download Subway Surfers to my Windows device. So yeah, this is exactly like the Google Play Store that we use on our Android devices. So once that's been installed, click on Play. And then it will load the game. Let's enter some random age and then let's click OK. And let's click over here to play the game for a bit to test out this emulator. So it does not lag or crash, it plays very smoothly. It works better than my actual phone, to be honest. So you can download any game from the Google Play Store and play it on your PC using this emulator. So you do have the same button layout as your phone, so you can go back, go to your home screen, and you also have the overview button. So let's click on the home button to exit out of the game. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorial videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.